Hey bestie boos, what is up? Alright, so I have some shit I want to get done today. And y'all know that if I vlog it, I get my shiz done. So that's the whole point of this whole video. And also, content, baby, content. Anyways, I have a to-do list. So, on today's agenda, as well as like work, I need to clean my room / unpack for my competition, which that vlog will already be up. Who knows how long ago that video went up. I have a lot of videos that I've filmed lately. And then I also need to edit my competition vlog, my Winterfest com vlog. If you want to watch it, click the I need to edit the Winterfest thumbnail. I need to cut some fabric for scrunchies because I have not done any work on my scrunchies in so long, and I need to do that. I need to post on my Depop because I have a ton of clothes that I've been meaning to put up, and I just haven't put it up. And then if I get to it, I need to do my TAFE work. And if I don't do my TAFE work today, I gotta do it tomorrow, and then I just need to do some TAFE work, hopefully. Anyways, my room is really messy because, as I just said, we had a trip. It was literally 45 minutes away, but we had comp, and I have not unpacked from comp, and I really need to do that. And I need to hang all my costumes up so that they can air out. And I don't know what I'm saying, but like let's just get going. Alright, we've taken everything out of the bags. See? And now, all we gotta do is put that stuff away. But I took it all out. All my costumes are in a pile here, so they can be hung up. 2 of my costumes on the back of my door already hung. We just gotta figure it all out, you know. But technically, my stuff's unpacked. I know most stuff's got to go, so I'm gonna put that stuff away, and then we'll see where we're at after that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes that I used on the weekend so that they're all clean for the next time I want to use them, and I just want to show y'all how I clean them. So I bought this little brush cleaner for $1 off Shop Miss A. I must have a mental blank where I got this from. Shop Miss A, I bought it for $1. Super good, you can literally get these anyway. You don't even need to use one of these. I just got one because I was buying a bunch of other stuff up there. And then I also just use shampoo. I'm going to be using this one because no one in the house uses it. I'm sure I'm going to be getting commented like, you shouldn't use that one, but I will. The brushes, I'm only cleaning 5 brushes, so it's going to be a lot faster than normal when I do all my brushes. Okay, I have done like I've unpacked my bags. Tick. I haven't like done the cleaning. I've done like half the cleaning. I like made my bed and that's all cute, but like we need lunch. So let's make some lunch. Do I have any what I'm making for lunch? Absolutely not. Is there much food in the house? Nah. No. But let's have a little look and see what I can make. Ooh. Alright, I just sat here and edited for God knows how long. It really wasn't actually that long. Like, it wasn't like an extensive editing like the Winterfest video is gonna be. Well, that was a little hint. It wasn't the Winterfest video. I edited another video. It will also be out. It's called Double Date. I'm just exporting it now. But I edited that one. Which is good, but I really need to do the Winterfest one. But like, I also haven't cleaned or anything. So, like, see this list of to-do things. Haven't ticked off any of them yet. And actually, it has at 3:20. I have 2 hours to do it. I mean, technically, I have unpacked. And I've sort of cleaned my room, but I gotta get a move on. Alright, y'all, so I have about half an hour until I gotta get ready for work. And I really want to edit my Winterfest video. So I think I'm gonna sit and edit it for half an hour. I have a really strong feeling this video is gonna take longer than half an hour, which, you know, probably should. But I want this video to be really good, so it will take me more than half an hour, but I can start it. Yeah, and it also means I'm gonna have to do everything else I'm gonna have to do more stuff tomorrow, because I didn't do any taping post Depop. I haven't cut any of the fabrics that I said I was going to cut, and I only really unpacked, I didn't really clean my room. I mean, I kind of did, but alright, I'm gonna get editing. But alright, I had 30 minutes to start off with, and I got down to 15, but I'm also only halfway through the vlog. But I have to stop, and I've only done like a rough cut, and also not all the videos are in. Anyways, so this video might not go up tomorrow. I mean, you don't even know what I'm talking about because I don't know what's going on. But it's fine. Having fun. I gotta get ready for work, and I'll see y'all tomorrow to finish off my checklist, because I couldn't do it in one day. It was actually only like 3 to 4 hours I had to do this. But anyways, I gotta get ready for work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Y'all, I think I might be done editing my Winterfest vlog. That's so exciting. I do need to watch it and see if I get bored anywhere. But like, that's just like adding the little tiny little last bits. But I think I'm done. Yes. Alrighty, so what you just saw me do was go through the clothes that are on my Depop and take it, because like shit's not selling. So I took the stuff that was like not the best quality, or that like I was like, oh, you know what, now that I'm looking at this again, this should not be on my Depop, and I put that straight into the donut pile. So I have like a bag, and I need another bag of just stuff that I'm gonna donate. So it's like be a little haul of what's going up on my Depop, so that way you'll know that hasn't been up yet. Also, if you're a dancer and you're looking for dance costumes, I do have some. Message me on Instagram. They are on my Facebook marketplace, but I'm obviously not going to give you my Facebook, so you'll have to message me on Instagram for the costumes. Anyways, let's do a little haul of what I'm going to put on my Depop. Alright, so up first we have this denim skirt. It's just doesn't fit me in the right places, and I feel like it's too short, like too big on the waist, but it's like too short for me lengthways. So yeah. Also, I will iron all my stuff before I give it to you. I have this pink skirt that I did get, hoping it would be like more neon for my 18th. It wasn't, but it's okay. There's a skirt. It's like plastic, if I'm being honest, but I'll have it on there for like really cheap, so you can get it for like a party or anything. I then have the Shein bikinis that I got from my bikini haul that I haven't put up. We have this one and this one that haven't been put up yet, the blue one and the green one. I then have the crop top, the Shein crop top that was weird, like that. Then I have another Shein outfit that I got from my 18th, which just wasn't the right colour, and then by the time I went to return them, it was too late. So this is a 2-piece set, It just wasn't neon, it was like warm brown. Then I have this crop top, which was a part of a dance costume that has been altered for big booby girls. So I have a black crop top. I have this Shein dress, which is from my latest, actually, I don't know when this is going, latest Shein haul, because I couldn't make it work. It's better for flat-chested girlies, so keep that in mind. It's actually a really nice dress. I have big boobies. Then I have this green dress, which is from one of my small business hauls. It's completely see-through, and so I'm going to sell this to someone else, and I am going to put that it's see-through. I don't know, some people do like that. I can't pull it off. My camera keeps falling and it's kind of annoying. Then I also have this really nice denim jacket that still has the tag on it. This is actually my sister, so the money's going to my mum, because my mum bought them, and it's being sold for the price that it was bought for, because it's literally never been more. So this one's being sold for $60. It may be a little bit more on the Depop because of the fee that they take, because literally my mum just bought this. It's never been worn. And then we have these pants. They're like leggings from Cotton On. They're gonna be sold for I'm not sure. The tag says $50, so they're probably gonna be sold for $50. They're really warm too, like they're thick and warm. And then there's a matching top to that, but I'm gonna put them up separately. And then this bit like wraps around your waist. And this one is gonna get sold for $10 because this one was on sale. So if you like any of that, go check out my Depop. The link is always in the description, or you can like have a look here.